Okay. Hello and welcome to the Silverback News. Today, a major storm has occurred at the arcade. So, do you know the reason behind this fire? Yes, that's right. A gorilla that has pink fur, wearing a gorilla tag shirt, and also no hat. So it's a pink gorilla with a yellow gorilla tag shirt and no hat. So he placed fireworks inside the arcade, and then one of the games exploded, and then they set on fire, causing the virtual stomp in the arcade to close permanently. So the arcade is blocked up. I don't know. And we have an interviewer, Gorilla 9918. So, Gorilla 9918, what would you have to say about the arcade explosion? Okay, you rate it a thumbs down. So everyone thinks it's a thumbs down. So okay. Before we do any more news, it's time for bracelet.
Sure.
Or
Let me ask you something. Do you want this donut?
Okay.
Double it, give it to the next.
So Gorilla 9918 did everything he had to do. So that's all the news for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other news on Frank GT, which is me. So that's all for Silverback News for today. Goodbye. And now